The something went wrong error in TikTok Shop is a common issue on both iPhone and Android devices, typically indicating a non-specific failure within the app. Several factors can trigger this error, including outdated app versions, unstable network connections, overloaded cache, and permission restrictions. To initially troubleshoot this, begin by restarting the TikTok application. Ensure you are using the latest version of the app by checking for updates in the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Clear the app's cache to remove any accumulated data that may be corrupting performance. On iPhones, verify network settings. Android users should force stop the app via the Settings menu. Enable background data usage. If the error persists, logging out and then back into your account can resolve session-related bugs. In areas with poor internet connectivity, consider waiting until a more stable connection is available before attempting to use TikTok Shop. If basic troubleshooting steps prove ineffective, consider more advanced solutions. Ensure that TikTok has all necessary device permissions, including access to the camera, storage, and location, as these are required for certain features. As of 2025, TikTok is integrating more third-party payment gateways, such as Stripe and PayPal, which can sometimes introduce errors. If you encounter issues during checkout, try switching payment methods or using TikTok's web version to complete your purchase, highlighting the app's potential limitations on certain hardware. For persistent errors, especially after app updates, monitor TikTok's support boards and user forums like Reddit for community-driven solutions. Be aware that emerging markets with slower 5G adoption rates may experience more frequent errors. Looking ahead, TikTok plans to incorporate machine learning for predictive error fixes in upcoming updates, potentially reducing user-reported errors. Users concerned about data privacy should limit app permissions to mitigate risks associated with data tracking, which can correlate with error occurrences. Finally, consider using a VPN to ensure a stable and secure connection, as suggested by tech experts to circumvent potential connection issues.